MonTRUCK out. That's a 1/12 scale on 2S, and we have the Hyper GO 14-210 out on different stock tires. Let me bring it a little close so you can see it. I got it on 2S and 100% throttle. That's my son just beating up that truck. And we just testing it out. Also did some maintenance on it and put some earplugs in the rear and the front diff. And let me know what you think. And let me know what you think of the tires. I think I'm gonna change the tires. It's a little fun little 1/14 scale. Yeah, this is a 1/14 scale. That's a 12 scale. I just got these out doing some jumps. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, comment, notification bell. Remember, it's free to subscribe to the channel. I'm Marcus, and he's Maxton. Battery.
How? The third time this has came out. But the first it was unplugged. First time it was unplugged. Man. What? How is this battery coming out like this?
You got the feel.
I am. What? Three times.
What's going on? How's it going, guys? It was good bashing. Had some issues as usual as part of the hobby. This is the Hyper GO 14210. This is the MonTRUCK 12 scale 4-wheel drive. This is 4-wheel drive. This is both on 4-wheel drive. This is only cable 2S. This is cable 3S. We both had them on 2S batteries. The battery kept flipping out of his. We need, I think, the MonTRUCK, the battery tray is unforgiving. It's really shallow, so you gotta make sure you pick good batteries for that, and make sure you strap it down real tight, or add another strap to it. That's the only thing real bad about that. The battery kept coming off, was shorting his run time, jump time. But other than that, the truck held up real well. If it's bashing and jumping, it's all part of the hobby. This big boy, the 1/14 scale Hyper GO 14210, or they call it the MJX H14BM, something like that. So yeah, and I just got the a different set of tires on it. I'm not sure the name of the tires, but I'll leave it in the description below. I'm not rocking the spoiler or the wing. I'm rocking the rear bumper and a wheelie bar. And he's rocking the wheelie bar and a rear bumper and a wheelie bar as well, but it didn't come with a wing. So that concludes our run for today. Real cool. It seemed like they held up really nicely. We'll see when we get home, see what's broken, what's not broken. I'm Marcus.
And I'm Max.
12-F, baby. Peace. Stay tuned for more running videos. Check the playlist, and so you can see more fun and fantastic videos. We drop videos every day. Later.